First, we're going to start with decorating the vase. What we're going to do this time, we're going to decorate it with little beads, and we're going to use the white glue. I'm just going to put a little bit in the bowl, and I'm going to, with my finger, just make a few spots, little spots. And I'm going to put the beads in. It's easier when your hand has glue on it, it sticks to it better. And can do any kind of design desired. It makes it very colorful to make it with beads. And you can see it's starting to give it color, because the clay is very plain, so I like to give it some colors. If you have no patience, it's enough to do it only on half of it, because anyway the pictures are going to face one side, so you don't have to worry about the other side. And this is how it's going to look like at the end. You can see it is all around.